Bring out the chicken. This is a social distancing house. Flip! Oh my god! What? Pound!
Welcome to the I Hate Amy show.
Oh, I like it. Hello, welcome back. Today I have a very fun video. I'm going to be eating like Blackpink for 24 hours, so the entire day. The recipes that they've cooked, I'm going to attempt them and we're going to recreate it, and it's going to be super fun. Let me just start off by telling you what's on the menu today. Okay, so first thing on the menu is we are going to eat pancakes for breakfast. For lunch, we are going to have these bao sandwiches or bao buns stuffed with chicken and radish and carrots. And then for dinner time, we're going to have the famous Blackpink kimchi fried rice. That's our menu for today, and it's gonna be super fun. I can't wait to try it. I don't know if it's gonna taste good. Pancakes is on the menu first, but I'm gonna have to marinate the chicken first because you have to let the chicken sit for like at least an hour. So the first thing we have to do is wash our hands. Washed. Time to start marinating chicken. 2/3 cups of honey. Now we put the chicken inside to marinate. Wash chicken first?
What are you? An idiot sandwich.
Oh my gosh. Wet, soggy chicken. Okay. Bring out the chicken and submerge. Okay. Now it's pancake time. Okay, pancake taboo. 1 cup of flour. 1 tablespoon of brown sugar. This is just simple pancake recipe, because that's what it looked like. Oops. Wait, I don't think I'm following it correctly. I added the milk in too early. Oh my gosh, I think I already messed up. Okay. But I'm just gonna mix now. They say lumps is good, lumps is fine. I totally thought you just like add all the ingredients together and then, this is what it looks like. It's a little runny. Not quite sure why. Actually, I messed up. I don't know if that has anything to do with it. Probably. Hurry up. Ow. I'm just gonna turn it on high and then turn it back to medium so it's faster. Because you know what? I don't have all the time in the world. I have a lot of time, but not all the time. You know? And plop. And plop. Please don't touch. Ah! Don't touch, please. This is a social distancing house. Cook faster! It's cute. Oh, I gotta get plates. I leave for like 1 second and people are touching. Oh, it's starting to bubble. I don't know if you can see, but it's starting to bubble. I'm ruining the shape. Why is it sticking so much? Ew. It's not even a circle anymore. Let go! And flip. Oh my god, that is so ugly. And flip. Oh, it's all like wrinkly. Scrapey, scrapey in a circle. Pound. burnt. Oh. Ew! This is first batch. Oh my god, stop it! Okay. I might be ready to flip soon. And by soon, I mean right now. Oh, yes! Flip! Oh my god, it's black! Flip! Oh my god, both sides are black. I'll just not take a picture of this side. Pretend you don't see that, thanks. So this one, I failed. Am I surprised? Not really. It's not so bad. So, BLACKPINK has many different sauces. They have pineapple sauce, they have something sauce, they have syrup, and today I will provide you with just syrup. Thanks. I'm really tired after making pancakes, but the pancakes were good. So now we're gonna get started with our chickens. Chickens are still resting. So right now we're gonna cut the radishes and the carrots. You're gonna need a shaven carrot and some radish. If anyone plays Animal Crossing, doesn't this look like a turnip? I'm going to shave those. Now that it's peeled, I'm just going to cut the ends off and we're gonna shred this. I don't know how to shred it. Wait. What if I shred it like this, like keep it, and then shred it? Oh my god. Who says I can't cook? Me! I say that. I say that so I don't have to cook. I'm gonna taste raw radish. Spicy. Ta-da! Okay, so now that you have all your carrots. Okay, now we have to soak these. Stop giggling! There's no fun in this house! Just kidding! So I'm going to be taking this pickle juice that I got from a restaurant. I'm just going to dig out the old pickles. The old radishes. With my hands. It's not gross. It's not gross. And I'm just going to put the new ones in here. So. This is what they said. They made their own pickle juice. But why make it when you can buy it? So just gonna let it soak in here. Buns! You are so good at cooking. No one is as good at cooking as you. Those pancakes are delicious. I'm gonna be eating delicious chicken. Oh, I ripped it. I beheaded him. We got the chicken! Ew! Guts. Censored. Okay, so we have about 2 minutes left before the chicken is done. Ooh, it's hot. Don't burn my camera. Yeah, it kind of smells just a little bit like cookies. I'm so excited. Buns are ready. So much noise. This is what the chicken looks like. Because if it's not, what? Yeah, it's cooked. Oh my gosh, this is ta-da! I have all of my ingredients. Okay, now we can actually finally start making and preparing. So, my hands are clean by the way. So, you just take the toilet seat gonna lie it down like this, prop it up, then take a piece of your meat or your chicken, lay it down, and then grab some radish, grab some carrots. Let's add more carrots. The radish just tastes bad. It's too spicy. Take some sauce and drizzle it. Ta-da! And then just close the toilet seat. Taste test. The bun is not cooked. I'm gonna cook it some more. Boom! It's perfect. It's soft, it's squishy. I'm tired from cooking all day, so I'm gonna make kimchi rice tomorrow. Alright, time to make kimchi fried rice today. If you're wondering why I'm so sweaty, but I'll give you a sneak peek to next week. I'm doing Jungkook's workout video. The end. Secret over. Anyways, time to make kimchi fried rice. So first thing, we're gonna cut some kimchi. I have the exact same brand of kimchi that BLACKPINK used. So we're gonna cut the kimchi into bite-sized pieces. And now I'm gonna take bacon because I don't have pork belly. It is not coming out. I don't want all of this. Hello? Okay, that's the end of all my recipes, all my cooking, and I'm genuinely shocked at how they turned out. They actually turned out good, which is weird because that usually never happens. But that's the end. Subscribe and stay tuned for next week's video. You'll see why I'm so sweaty and oily. Next week's video will totally explain it. Okay, bye!